3D printed spaceships? A thing of science fiction or a reality we could soon face? In today's one, we take a look into the company growing in stature within the aerospace sector. Relativity Space. Relativity's proprietary factory of the future centers on Stargate, the world's largest metal 3D printers. By fusing 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and autonomous robotics, Relativity is printing its rocket structure and engines, significantly reducing touch points and lead times, simplifying the supply chain, and increasing overall system reliability. Relativity can create its rockets, Terran 1 and Terran R, from raw material within 60 days. Created in Relativity's factory of the future, Terran R is fully reusable, including its engines, first stage, second stage, and payload fairing, and will be capable of launching over 20,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit, LEO, in reusable configuration. Terran R will launch from Cape Canaveral, starting in 2024. Terran R has unique aerodynamic features with algorithmically generated and optimized structures. Relativity's proprietary 3D printing process is enabled by software and data-driven manufacturing, exotic 3D printed materials, and unique design geometries that are not possible with traditional manufacturing, driving a faster rate of compounding progress and iteration in the industry.
Materials for the shell, the fairing, as you would for a valve or an injector or something like that. So what are the different types that you're using?
So one we actually developed ourselves fully in-house. It's the largest metal 3D printer in the world. We call it Stargate. So it's named after StarCraft. We can actually print pieces that are up to 36 feet tall.
As long as you have the amount of pylons.
Terran R provides both commercial and government customers affordable access to space, in LEO and beyond. Terran R helps accommodate the company's growing pipeline of commercial interest, and will also eventually offer customers a point-to-point space freighter capable of missions between the Earth, Moon and Mars. As a next-generation launch vehicle, Terran 1 is designed for the future of constellation deployment and resupply. Its groundbreaking, unique and software-driven architecture is capable of accommodating satellite customers' evolving needs, while also providing the most agile and affordable launch service on the market. Designed and printed in the USA. As a vertically integrated technology platform, Relativity is at the forefront of an inevitable shift toward software-defined manufacturing. By fusing 3D printing, artificial intelligence, and autonomous robotics, we are pioneering the factory of the future.
Material quality and building this correlation and learning matrix over time. So that's what we've had to develop to now be able to print full-scale rocket stage structures that we've actually pressure tested and proven that 3D printing works. And we've also done over 250 3D printed rocket engine tests across 20 different versions of the engine. And we've done over 13 different versions of the core printing tech. So it's just been high amounts of iteration and getting the science to work over the first 2 years of the company.